Hello, we're Everything Everything, and you're watching MK Flits.
I'm very excited about Everything Everything.
I'm looking forward to Everything Everything.
Everything Everything are incredible.
So we welcome Everything Everything finally to Johannesburg. You guys just came from Cape Town. Immediately after landing in South Africa, you go shark cage diving.
It was amazing. I mean, obviously we've never done anything like that before. To see those animals up close, be in the water with them, it was like a dream. It really was. It was amazing. A nightmare.
A nightmare. How was the vibe at Synergy Day?
It was great. And we were really late on, and there were kind of technical problems, but I think it made it quite rough and ready. You know, it was ballsy. It was punky. I enjoyed it actually. I really enjoyed it. We didn't have any expectations for South Africa generally. We didn't know whether people would know the songs, and people really did seem to.
It was really nice. We had the crowd on our side from the start, even though we had to go on late and all the rest of it. They clearly been waiting for us.
Really lovely crowd.
In both literally and for us to come to the country.
I want to talk about the album. It's very lyrically driven. Is that sort of something that you guys thought about beforehand when you decided to make an album like Ark?
I'm always thinking about lyrics. Always want to make it important, an important part of it. So yeah, going into making it, I wanted to make the lyrics a bit more easy to work out.
No.
Compared to the first record, a bit more relatable, just a bit more honest really, and less distracting.
I mean, a song like Don't Try, it's a very universal song. What was the specific theme when you started writing that?
I had reason to be involved with loads of teenagers who my girlfriend worked with, who lived in a sort of homeless hostel, and they all had their various problems. And it just, I don't know, one day I was just thinking about ones of those that she was particularly fond of or had told me about. And I was just thinking about when I was a teenager and how much time I spent being miserable for no real reason when I could have just told people what I was feeling like and had a much better time. So I thought, why don't I use my position now and tell some teenagers to do the same.
Do you guys know about Afrikaans, the language that we've got here?
We noticed that you guys say ja.
Ja,
instead of
yes,
yeah.
yes.
Lekker.
Everything in Afrikaans will be alles alles.
Yeah.
So you know
Same in
that.
Germany.
Oh, okay, cool. So, I thought I'm going to teach you guys something now. Maybe
We try it, Afrikaners.
moenie probeer nie.
Moenie probeer nie.
Yeah,
That's good.
You've got it. You've got it down right there.
I'll sing it tonight.
Yes, please do. Guys, thank you very much for joining us. It was
you.
really
Thanks for
cool
having
to
us.
chat to you, and good luck with the gig tonight.